the French harvest. Now, I'm not sure about you, but I think it's about time we try a drink with some cider and some proper Western European stuff. And no, we're not talking about the white lightning or liquid bath salt you see the street drinkers consume, or the weak pissy apple juice you have across the pond. Make sure you give that subscribe button a sly dig. The ingredient lineup: dry gin, lemon juice, simple syrup and a dry style cider. Now, cider tends to be mainly a Western European thing, but though it is consumed across other countries, most cider is manufactured in the UK, Ireland, Brittany and Normandy in France, and the Basque Territories and Asturias in Spain, and some in northern Portugal. Also note that Germany and Scandinavia do have some scenes as well, but it's predominantly manufactured in Western Europe. Kick off the proceedings with 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of gin. Follow that up with 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of simple syrup. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of your fresh lemon juice, which we've taken a peel from for our garnish later. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 13 seconds. The French Harvest is a creation of Denver-based writer Linnea Covington. Double strain this into a champagne flute and top this off with your cider. Also a challenge for you next time you're in the UK. I hope you're trying our cocktails over here, but if you're drinking beers and you're in a pub, try a pint of cider and see if you enjoy it. And give this a light stir. Garnish this with a lemon twist. Time for the taste test. I really like this drink. It's clean and crisp. I think it definitely suits the autumn months. Also, it's a cost-effective way to do something different with French 75s.